VW's ID Polo GTI Clubsport, a 282 bhp electric hot hatch with simulated gears. Volkswagen is actively developing a high-performance Clubsport variant of its new ID Polo GTI. This upcoming model promises to bridge the gap between traditional combustion engine driving dynamics and modern electric mobility, offering significantly increased power and a unique software-driven simulation of manual gear changes. Power and performance upgrades. The standard ID Polo GTI delivers a respectable 223 bhp, but the Clubsport version is expected to boost this figure to approximately 282 bhp. According to Volkswagen Dynamics chief Florian Umbach, the current motor and battery hardware have untapped potential, allowing for higher peak power and torque that the front axle can comfortably handle. Beyond raw numbers, the mechanical setup will see a notable change. The Clubsport is expected to replace the existing Borg-Warner active differential with a fully mechanical limited-slip differential. This hardware shift aims to provide more predictable and traditional handling characteristics, appealing to driving enthusiasts who value tactile feedback and consistent traction during spirited driving. Simulating the combustion experience. One of the most intriguing aspects of the ID Polo GTI Clubsport is its approach to driver engagement. Electric vehicles inherently lack the auditory and physical cues of internal combustion engines, ICE, such as gear shifts and engine notes. To address this, Volkswagen is developing a sophisticated software system that mimics the power delivery and gear changes of traditional hot hatches. Paddle shift simulation. Inspired by Hyundai's N-Performance cars, the system will use motor control to simulate the sensation of shifting gears. Audio soundtrack. A curated audio experience will accompany the simulated shifts, enhancing the auditory feedback. Visual homage. The digital instrument panel is already capable of mimicking the iconic display of the Mk1 Golf, suggesting that the new Clubsport may visually and audibly pay tribute to the seminal GTI lineage. "This is simply a software thing," explained Umbach. "It's all about motor control and an audio soundtrack to match." Chassis and styling. True to the GTI heritage, the Clubsport variant will not just be about power and simulation. It is expected to feature a lowered suspension for improved cornering stability and a more aggressive stance. Additionally, exterior styling cues will likely be more pronounced, distinguishing it from the standard GTI model and emphasizing its performance-oriented identity. Commercial success determines future development while the technical capabilities are in place. The final release of the ID Polo GTI Clubsport depends on market reception. Umbach noted that the executive board will only approve further exploration of these features if the base GTI model proves to be a commercial success. "If people respond to this car as it is, we can really take it to the next level," Umbach stated. This indicates that Volkswagen is taking a cautious, data-driven approach, ensuring that the niche appeal of the Clubsport aligns with broader consumer demand for electric performance vehicles. Conclusion: the ID Polo GTI Clubsport represents Volkswagen's attempt to preserve the soul of the hot hatch in the electric era. By combining genuine mechanical upgrades with clever software simulations, VW aims to deliver an engaging driving experience that honors its legacy while embracing future technology.